washing machines in India 2019. IFB 6 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. To suit the requirement of couples and single individuals. The benefit is that there is no compromise on the operational aspects at all. The specialty of IFB washing machines is that it allows you to add or remove clothes during the washing cycle. The 2D wash system ensures proper mixing of water and detergent to deliver a cleaner wash. The crescent moon grooves on the drum protect the fabric from damage. IFB machines are the only ones in the market to come with a 4-year warranty. The company also pledges a 10-year support program for spare parts. The care of your fabrics by moving the wash drum in multiple directions. The heater system in this washing machine enables elimination of stubborn stains. The physical features of this machine, such as inverter direct drive, waterproof control panel, and the auto restart mechanism, make this washing machine one of the most sought-after designs in India. This machine caters to your baby's clothes by keeping water warm at 40 degrees and raising it gradually to 60 degrees to ensure the removal of allergens from the fabrics. The child lock settings prevent the children from mishandling the controls and thus avoid accidents. Bosch 6.5 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. Bosch washing machines come with simple, user-friendly control that makes it a pleasure to operate. It has some of the latest features to ensure an enlightening washing experience. Bosch machines work on the latest technologies that do not cause any damage to your clothes. These machines use German engineering designs to provide an incredible washing experience to users. Bosch machines have the largest drum size in its segment. Drum clean technology removes lint and toxic waste to provide better washing results. It is a safe machine because of features like volt check to take care of voltage fluctuations and child lock to prevent children from mishandling the device. Samsung 6.5 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. Along with LG, Samsung is a favorite Indian brand of washing machines that understand Indian conditions. Hence, you find people preferring these brands to some of the reputed international ones. Samsung washing machines come with a digital inverter motor whereby it reduces vibrations and noise. Volt control technology takes care of power cuts and voltage fluctuations. This machine comes with ceramic heaters that not only save energy but also prevent limescale build-up. This machine has a quick wash feature that saves valuable time. This facility cleans your lightly soiled clothes in double quick time, thereby conserving water and energy. LG 6.5 kg inverter fully automatic front-loading washing machine. LG produces washing machines to suit families of varying sizes. This 6.5 kg washing machine is ideal for a family of 3 to 4 persons. It comes with several innovative features to enhance the washing experience. Trust LG to come up with innovative solutions to enhance your washing experience. Spa steam technology is one of them. The waterproof touch panel is an excellent safety measure, and so is the child lock system. This machine is durable as it comes with a stainless steel drum instead of a plastic one. IFB 7 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. This IFB 7 kg washing machine is ideal for the Indian nuclear families of 3 to 4 members. IFB machines come with the latest features that make them the best washing machines in their segment. IFB washing machines are sturdy while being gentle at the same time. They come with state-of-the-art features like Cradle Wash, Aqua Energy, 2D Wash System, and so on to deliver a fantastic washing performance every time you use it. The Tub Clean feature cleans the drum and prevents limescale formation. This machine is a safe one as it monitors voltage fluctuations and power cuts. The Child Lock feature prevents children from playing with the controls. Bosch 7 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. Bosch is one of the earliest brands in India to introduce front-loading machines. This German company manufactures some of the sturdiest devices in the industry. Bosch guarantees no damage to your clothes because of its best technologies at work. The high points of this machine are its active water technology, anti-vibration design, Vario drum, Water Plus, and Speed Perfect features. The water filter present in the machine ensures that salt deposits do not accumulate on the sides of the drum. The drum clean function is an efficient one as it keeps the drum disinfected. One of the significant aspects of the machine is the massive drum size. The reload function lets you open the door early in the cycle to add or remove clothes. The Child Lock feature is an excellent safety feature. Samsung 8 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. Samsung is also an international brand that manufactures some of the high-quality washing machines in India. Along with LG and Whirlpool, Samsung is one of the largest selling washing machine brands in India. Samsung front-loading washing machines are eco-friendly appliances as it comes with excellent features like Eco Drum and Eco Bubble technology. The eco-bubble technology allows you to wash large loads at low temperatures as the bubbles activate the detergents to penetrate deep into the fabric and remove stubborn dirt. The Samsung machine has an elegant design that looks aesthetic and pleasing to the eye. At the same time, it delivers a power-packed performance. It is a smart machine as it comes with an automatic error monitoring system to detect and diagnose problems using a smartphone app. IFB 8 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. IFB is a market leader in washing machines with a massive market in the US and other countries. It has entered India in a big way as well, with its top-loading machines being among the first of such machines in the country. IFB is a top-end washing machine if you have such a nomenclature for washing machines. Some of its excellent features include cradle wash, air bubble wash, ball valve technology, and so on. It is an intelligent machine capable of monitoring voltage levels. On identifying voltage levels outside the safe range, the machine stops the program to safeguard your appliance. Adding clothes after the commencement of the wash cycle is possible. It detects unbalanced clothes and redistributes them to maintain a consistent wash. Time delay function is available whereby you can delay the wash cycle up to 24 hours. LG 8.0 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. LG products are always the favorite of Indians. You will find a couple of LG products in every home in India. This washing machine ranks right among the best in its segment in the market. LG washing machines are equal to the international brands with high-quality features like one-touch panel, 6-motion control, direct drive technology, and so on. You can increase the water temperature to 85 degrees for cleaning the drum.